Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alephium token. Ticker symbol is ALPH. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, December 29th. We're going to go over the information on the Alephium token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Alephium token is being listed tomorrow, December 29th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ALPH, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Alephium redefines layer 1 standards. Oh, and by the way, I've been saying token, and you can use coin and token interchangeably, but technically this is a coin, and it runs on its own blockchain. So Alephium redefines layer 1 standards with its sharded design, UTXO-based smart contracts, and energy-efficient proof-of-less-work consensus algorithm, ensuring secure scalability up to 10K TPS, so that's 10,000 transactions per second. It is live with an existing thriving ecosystem of decentralized applications, services, wallets, and a bridge. Now you can find their Explorer, we're going to open that up here, at explorer.alephium.org. Over there you're going to find all sorts of info regarding this blockchain. Now their webpage is alephium.org. They also have a Discord group that you could find on their webpage. They have a white paper that you could find on their webpage. And they have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. They have the blue verified check mark. It is at Alephium. It says scalable for devs, secure for users, decentralized for all, POLW sharding plus SUTXO plus Alfred VM plus Ralph language plus more. It says they're from Switzerland. They have a full link tree on that Twitter right there, so it's going to take you anywhere you need to go. 23,100 Twitter followers, and I'm sure they have some. Yeah, they have some tweets here about their new Mexc Global listing as well. Now on the link tree, you're going to find some docs. You're going to find the website, grant program, Discord, Telegram, Medium articles, Twitter, GitHub, Wallet, Explorer, YouTube channel, so much information. So, innovative sharding meets expressive SUTXO and efficient proof of less work for secure, scalable dApps for real-world use cases. Why is Alephium special? Well, it says on top of an awesome team, an outstanding community, and a lot of energy, here are some technical specifications. It scales through sharding. So Alephium is built on the novel and complete sharding algorithm called BlockFlow. It improves the UTXO model of Bitcoin to make it scalable and uses DAG data structure to reach consensus between different shards. This will allow up to 10,000 transactions per second, like I mentioned earlier. Also, it is programmable and secure. Alephium proposes a stateful UTXO model offering layer 1 scalability and the same level of programmability as the account model implemented on Ethereum. Whilst being more secure, it is less energy consuming thanks to POLW, proof of less work, which combines physical work and coin economics to dynamically adjust the work required to mine new blocks. Given the same network conditions, Alephium uses only 1/8 of the energy compared to Bitcoin. It improves on chain structure with its own custom VM, which is called Alph. It resolves many of the critical issues of the current dApps platforms with huge improvements on security, development experience, and introduces a new paradigm such as trustless P2P smart contract transactions. It has its own programming language for dApps. Ralph is similar to the Rust syntax, hence its name. It allows to build efficient and secure smart contracts easier than Solidity. For example, it is specifically designed to facilitate the creation of decentralized financial applications. Putting all of these innovations together, Alephium delivers a highly demanded solution in the industry, a scalable blockchain improving the mature ideas from Bitcoin to deliver reliable, powerful, and secure DeFi and dApp capabilities. And we are live. Just like Bruce Buffer says, we are live. Tokenomics. The token supply on Alephium is limited with a hard cap of 1 billion, even though they say token supply. Like I said, technically it's a coin. At mainnet launch, they started November 8th, 2021, an initial supply of 140 million tokens, which is 14% of the hard cap, was mined with the Genesis block. The remaining supply of Alph tokens will be mined over the next 80 years of these 140 million tokens. Now, 80 million percent, which is 8% of the 80 million percent, 80 million tokens, which is 8% of the tokens, goes to pre-sale and future strategic private sales. 3% goes to community and ecosystem development. 3% goes to treasury and team, and 86% goes to mining rewards. Now, if you want to check out tons of information, just go to their documents or their white paper. You're going to find info like frequently asked questions about nodes, building dApps, Ralph language, wallets, integrations, mining, network, Explorer backend, tokens, miscellaneous, glossary, the content repo, Lehman network upgrade, etc. There's tons of information. There's Medium articles. They have a Telegram you can follow at Alephium group that has over 6,500 members in it. Go check this coin out. It's getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on Mexc Global. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.